Your city Dehradun once had a flourishing bulb industry. What happened to it? अखिल भारतीय विचार विभाग प्रमुख स्वदेशी जागरण मंच Shri Rajiv Kumar asked me this question over a phone call. The question made me put the past in perspective and jog my memory a bit. The Dehradun bulb industry was flourishing till the 1990s. It held a place of pride in the hearts of people of Dehradun, which was reflected in city life and in how often the industry was chosen as a subject for projects in economics by several bright eyed classmates at school. The industry subsequently went down due to Chinese invasion of the market. People representing the industry in Dehradun told different publications in reports between 2009 and 2013 that the Chinese bulb and light industry offering better and cheaper products nibbled into and gradually gobbled the rupee 30 crore industry. Those reports mention. Kumarji tells me this industry provided employment to lakhs of people. One could find similar story of one such industry in every Indian city. The advent and influence of Videshi products not only took down industries but also took away jobs and employment from people. He adds that PM Modi's call for Swadeshi is an opportunity for revival of local industries, employment in Indian cities, reducing the use of Videshi products and encourage the propagation of Swadeshi across Bharat. We have intensified our drive. We are preparing a list of Swadeshi alternatives, he told me. Encouraged by PM Modi's call for adopting Swadeshi, the Swadeshi Jagran Manch is now channelizing its people, messaging, and mobilizing towards door to door campaigns, socio-economic dialogue with different sections of Samaj, and most importantly, its outreach focused on schools and colleges. With global economic powers at play at different ends unleashing their might, Kumar suggests a tit for tat approach. Keeping the Indian interest and Swadeshi at the top and steering a movement during the Vikat Samay, difficult times as he defines it. These are difficult times. The tone and tenor supporting Swadeshi at the Swadeshi rallies organized by the Swadeshi Jagran Manch this year bore a mark of protest and pushback against new tariff thrusts from US President Donald Trump. It's not a bad strategy, as at times, pushback creates space and reclamation and revival. According to Kumarji, the Swadeshi Jagran Manch, established in 1991 amid the ill impacts of the economic policies of then central government, a dark moment centering India's gold reserves, is turning all its energies towards rejuvenating a movement 120 years old, amplified, intensified, and elevated by recent statements made by PM Modi. Professor M.S. Swaminathan's birth centenary, 120 years of the Swadeshi movement, 100 years of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, and 2 less than 80 of India's independence is India's moment to write a new chapter in Bharat's preservation of sovereignty. Namaskar, welcome to the pamphlet. I am Sumati Mehrishi and you are watching the first episode of our new series Swadeshi with Sumati. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav stated earlier this week that 4 new semiconductor projects have been approved. There are 6 projects already approved, he added. The new ones added are in Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and Punjab at an investment of rupees 4,594 crores. भारत में बना, भारत में रचित और उसके कारण तीनों को गंभीरता से लेने का समय आ गया है. The story of Bharat's आत्मनिर्भरता is set for an economic evolution stamped by PM Modi's national commitment. This commitment is bound to acquire a deeply cultural demeanor. A giant leap from the call for Atmanirbharta or self-reliance, a courageous surge of emotion from Make in India, and a wide departure from the localized pride for local. PM Modi ignited his vocabulary on nationalism with that one word that has a massive weight of emotion in India's freedom struggle. The word is Swadeshi. Swadeshi, the original intangible, moral PLI, production linked incentive. Swayam, own, self, from which arises the realization of personal action, austerity, personal cost, that the Indian mind is constantly prepared to calibrate and recalibrate in a declaration that the love for the motherland is above everything else. above even the self. Swavalamban, self sufficiency and independence. Swadeshi, every time a new item entering our home must be Swadeshi. Amid new tariff threats, these words rattled out from PM Modi in Varanasi. Varanasi, the abode of Kashi Vishwanath, where the essence of Mahadev's fierce destruction leading to the process of creation and beauty is well understood in every aspect of life and worship. PM Modi has redefined India's boundaries through a call for economic nationalism in the wake of new global shifts. भारत एक अत्यंत भाग्यशाली देश है। स्वदेशी और इतिहास, भूतकाल और वर्तमान दोनों साक्षी हैं इस बात के, इस घटना के, कि देश पर आई हर आपदा का समाधान अवसर में खोजा और पाया गया। उस अवसर को निरंतर कार्य, कर्म, नवनीति, नवरचना, नव प्रवर्तन और नवोत्पाद में आवश्यक परिश्रम और पराक्रम से फलित किया गया। India's fight against COVID was one such moment in protection, sovereignty, and self reliance. From the beginning of the 20th century to the times we live in, protecting and preserving Bharat's national sovereignty, cultural sovereignty, and economic has emerged and re emerged as a national, cultural, moral, and emotional project. Calibrated has been each motion and movement to reclaim what is ours, regardless of pressure and coercion from external forces and their pawns and assorted representatives. कितने लॉर्ड कर्जन आए और कितने गए. स्वदेशी withstood the British. Swadeshi 2.0 must withstand more. Freedom would have been impossible without Bharat's instincts to respond to foreign impulses and global challenges flung upon and thrown at Bharat and Bharatiyata. Continuity of freedom would be unimaginable without it. At the very center of this nationalist trajectory of actions for preservation is the individual autonomy and attainment of the feeling of oneness with the nation in Bharatiyas. As a quality, it refuses to accept and fiercely rejects any attempt to coerce the free in protecting that defines this great nation, the Matrabhumi, its soil, crop, fertility, cattle, floral and faunal heritage, Indian skill, tradition, art, artisans, artistry, aesthetic, reform, and innovation. It is time for reform. It is time for economic nationalism, which will come twined to political and cultural nationalism through a mass movement and nothing short of it. Swayam, own, self, Swachhand, unbound, Swarg, the heavens, the realm, beyond, Swarn, gold, golden, Swatantra, free, Swatantrata, freedom, Swadeshi. इन शब्दों की श्रृंखला में से कितने शब्द श्री अरबिंदो, लाला लाजपत राय, बाल गंगाधर तिलक और बिपिन चंद्र पाल के मुख से कितनी बार देशभक्तों को उत्साहित करने के लिए निकले होंगे, ये तो हम नहीं जानते। लेकिन ये स्पष्ट है कि पीएम मोदी के स्वदेशी कॉल से बहुत से लोग बहुत परेशान हो रहे होंगे। शायद इतने परेशान कि अंग्रेज़ी हुकूमत के काल में जिन्हें एक्सट्रीमिस्ट्स का नाम दिया गया था, आज उन्हें मिलिटेंट लीडर्स की उपाधि अखबारी लेखों में दे दी गई है बड़े आराम से। बस इसी विदेशी सोच को स्वदेशी द्वारा स्वच्छ करना है। The destiny of Bharat, the civilizational state, is blessed by the audacious attempts of global forces to make Bharatiyas work more, and continuously work to preserve. देश का स्वतंत्र होना, संकटों की श्रृंखला से उभरते हुए उन्हें पार करना, यही सिखाता है कि समय के चक्र के साथ स्वावलंबन के चरखे का चक्र चलता रहना चाहिए. The realigning, repositioning, recalibrating, and replenishing of the patriotic flourish and fervor must continue. The echo of PM Modi's Swadeshi call will set a sequence of ripples in India's new tone and tenor towards deeper localization in the Indian use, focus, and perspective on fast-moving consumer goods, FMCG, defense, electronics, semiconductors, technology. ruffling Indian prospects and prosperity within India, disturbing the impetus of local strengths and businesses, many of which exist and flourish as tradition, will be rejected. Bharat's economic sovereignty doctrine is being rewritten with Swadeshi ink on the paper, fiber, and canvas of India's consolidation in political, economic, and cultural sphere for the new world order. PM Modi recently stated that Bharat is bound to protect the interests of India's farmers, fishermen, and livestock keeping communities, whatever be the personal cost. और मैं जानता हूँ व्यक्तिगत रूप से मुझे बहुत बड़ी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी. Courageous is the sound of PM Modi's unflinching resolve against the foreign hand or the weight of the realization of व्यक्तिगत कीमत. स्वदेशी, स्वराज, स्वाभिमान, विदेशी कपड़ों और वस्तुओं को क्रांति की आग में झोंक देने की आवश्यकता शायद आज और भारत के इस काल को नहीं है. What we need? The ideals of Swadeshi, the concept and movement. What we need is the bandwidth to collectively understand the crying need for such a movement. जीवन के हर भाव में स्वदेशी का भाव आने वाले समय में हमारा, भारत का, भारतीयों का भविष्य तय करेगा. Lala Lajpat Rai said.
The high ideals embodied in Swadeshi and Swaraj were the ideals worked out by the sons of India. The miseries of the motherland had given an impetus to the idea, but the idea itself stood on higher ground. It was not the redress of grievances that filled the mind of the people, but the desire for liberty. It was not concessions they wanted, but liberty. Liberty is not a thing of the earth, and therefore it can neither be given nor accepted as a gift. It has to be won. People felt that and were prepared to realize that in their lives.
It has to be won because liberty is not a thing of the earth. Constant is the realization in the Indic mind. The 21st century relaunching of a Swadeshi movement would be a homage to India's freedom fighters who gave their all to the Swadeshi movement during the first decade of the 20th century. It is time to use PM Modi's adoption of the Swadeshi lexicon and vocabulary, the visible, palpable determination to bolster the work of organizations such as the Swadeshi Jagran Manch and its volunteers who have taken the cause of Swadeshi to the Indian household and public narrative since 1991. It is time to help them build a movement, a stronger movement. The biggest achievement of a pan-India movement to uphold Swadeshi would be in seizing the moment, India's moment, the only moment perhaps during this century for Bharat's self-reliance and for the cause of India's own productivity, Atmanirbharta in real work and outcomes. Breaking India, अंदरूनी और बाहरी फोर्सेस को ये बात बिल्कुल नहीं भाएगी कि भारत की स्वतंत्रता के संघर्ष के काल से निकालकर मेक इन इंडिया के युग में स्वदेशी सिद्धांतों को चिन्हित कर भारत के वर्तमान में उतारा जा रहा है. उनके लिए ये स्वीकारना अत्यंत कठिन होगा कि ब्रिटिश हुकूमत के समय के भारतीय संघर्ष की लपटों में तपे मूल्यों और सिद्धांतों की और उन सिद्धांतों पर आधारित ठोस कार्यों और नीतियों के रत्नों से देश की उन्नति के मार्ग बने. देश की उन्नति और स्वावलंबन का स्वर विस्तार और स्वदेशी की भावना में एकजुट समाज द्वारा रचित देश राग ब्रेकिंग इंडिया फोर्स के कानों को शोर ही लगेगा. ये एक सिम्टम नहीं, कारण भी है कि मोदी काल में स्वदेशी मूवमेंट की जड़ें मिट्टी पकड़ें. फॉर अ 21st स्वदेशी मूवमेंट टू होल्ड ग्राउंड, political willingness of the leadership, public outreach of the government with help from organizations that support and drive the Swadeshi movement in their own work since the early 1990s, presence of sufficient intensity in the leadership's communication within the cause and in dialogue with public, a continued and sustained sub-movement are needed. This movement should be dedicated to the aspect of understanding and developing the understanding. Understanding of what? The understanding of the pressing need to connect the present and past of this Swadeshi movement. This will help India's youth, people in India's villages and forests, urban citizens feel and understand the need for such a movement. They will know the sequence of their own actions like the back of their hand. The cost to India's sovereignty by bringing Videshi home should be made known to each and every Indian. अनुभव, अनुभवहीनता और अनुभव होने पर भी विफल होना और उस विफलता को समझना आवश्यक है। विज्ञान पढ़ने वालों को बताया जाता है कि क्यों कोई प्रयोग असफल हुआ, वाई एक्सपेरिमेंट्स फेल, वाई मिशंस फेल। बिजनेस स्कूल्स में चर्चा होती है कि क्यों कोई कंपनी या स्टार्टअप फेल हुआ। खेल जगत में विफलता खेल मनोविज्ञान का महत्वपूर्ण आधार बनता है। ठीक उसी तरह मोदी युग में भारत के युवाओं को यह बताया जाए कि जो 200 टन सोना आरबीआई 2024 में वापस लाया, वो देश से बाहर गया क्यों था, कब गया था, वो विवशता, विफलता, असफलता या परिस्थितियाँ कैसे बनी, उसका देश पर क्या असर पड़ा, इसका भारतीय संस्कृति और विचार व्यवस्था पर क्या प्रभाव पड़ा, और ऐसी घटना इतिहास ना दोहराए उसके लिए क्या करना आवश्यक है और समाज उसमें क्या योगदान दे सकता है। These are aspects of paramount importance to the movement. The instilling of Swadeshi in education with a sense of history and future is the need of the hour. The instilling of Swadeshi in the understanding of self, family, community, society, and all aspects of education, multidisciplines, and building of institutions must percolate into social consciousness for the success and longevity of the movement. Next, it is important to realize, identify, and accept that just as the 2.5 front war identified by late General Bipin Rawat in India's defense, military, strategic context, the current scenario in India's trade and tariff context too has hints of a 2.5 front war. इस बात को समाज के सामने कैसे रखना है और सरकार इस बात को समाज को कैसे समझा पाएगी, ये सरकार और संगठन दोनों की प्रबलता और परीक्षा की कसौटी बनेगा। नेक्स्ट, सरकार और संगठन both must present the story to the uninitiated citizens and communities of the patronizing attitudes of global powers, how they are trying to create pressures on India. Indians need to know as one force. What do they need to know? The Indian perspective for the need for such a movement in the early 1900s, then again in the last decade of the same century amid India's foreign exchange crisis, then again during the Pokhran II tests, then again in 2020 and now in 2025. What is the common link in global attitudes, related and resulting events, and their impact on India and Indians? Most importantly, what are the strengths in the teaming up of Swadeshi, Sarkar, Sangathan, and Samaj that have and can prevent or fight such situations? We as people have to stand behind them as one. We have to personalize Swadeshi for the right vichar and for the right vyaktitva, so that no Indian, not even PM Modi, has to pay the vyaktigat cost of refusing to bend or compromise in protecting the economic sovereignty, the protection of the autonomy and prosperity of Indians. According to Kumarji, making FMCG the initiation point helps give strong visual and material placeholders to the Swadeshi movement. Women, of course, will play a massive and central role in steering and upholding this movement. They will bear considerable force and influence on domestic and societal dynamics of Swadeshi rejuvenation. Their ability to draw youth and children to a common cause for India as home and family should not be underestimated. Shantikunj Haridwar ignited the emotion for Swadeshi in me, in many, during 1991. It is continuing the absolutely stunning work in inspiring Indic ideas and Bharatiya character in the minds of youth in collaboration with Bharat and Bharatiya aligned institutions in the education sector through its powerful interactions and transforming faculty. The BAPS, temples and Sampradaya, along with the numerous spiritual gurus, Their pravachans and public interactions can be a powerful contributor to the movement. PM Modi must draw on all strengths of darshan, devotee, and sampradaya. FMCG as anchor, the collaboration of traders, manufacturers, industry, and industrialists in the different sectors. The padding of the movement by including and involving education, health, art and culture, sectors, Sarkar, and Sangathan will achieve effective milestones regularly and gradually. The adoption of Swadeshi as the Swadeshi Jagran Manch, its wide range of work and public interactions will tell, is not an overnight change. The switch to Swadeshi is a cultural project hinged on a political movement meant to instill socio-economic, economic transformation as well as economic nationalism. Hence, the understanding of the layers of the work and social change is important and should be relayed to the public with the help of India-aligned media. आज का भारत विदेशी ताकतों की आर्म ट्विस्टिंग को या भारत के आगे खड़ी की गई आर्थिक चुनौतियों का जवाब आपदा में अवसर कल्चर के दृष्टिकोण में देखता है. In 2020, tensions between India and China gave rise to the call for Swadeshi toys, encouragement to the Indian toy industry, Indian toy makers, Indic ideas in toy making, a mission-like approach. According to a government document released in Jan 2024, the Indian toy industry witnessed 52% decline in imports and 239% rise in exports during the financial year 2022-23 in comparison to financial year 2014-15. The government will have to explain and mainstream a dialogue on what aspects in self-reliance link Make in India and Swadeshi. It will have to explore massive interlinkages, products, ideas and choices surrounding both. The story of the upsurge in the sale of Rakhis became possible only when people of India stumbled upon the fact that they were possibly using Rakhis made in China. This was followed by the discovery of the interlinkages in the public perspective around national pride and sovereignty, Galwan and the supreme sacrifice of India's soldiers for their motherland as the core, matter and emotion. And that, exactly that was enough. Earthen lamps, electrical lights, Dev and Devi Pratimas made in India, and gifts related to Deepavali celebrations joined the list. What does it tell about the power of communication and effective leadership? Swadeshi Swikarna Desh Hit Mein Hai. Swadeshi is in national interest. It is crucial to nation building, the building and strengthening of national character. देश, दर्शन, स्वावलंबन और स्वाभिमान का निर्माण स्वदेशी से ही है. ये बात आर के नारायण की स्वामी एंड फ्रेंड्स पर आधारित मालगुडी डेज के समय स्वामी ने हमें हमारे बचपन में समझाई. For many of us as children, Swami of Malgudi days was that crucial secondary link in understanding India's past, India's freedom struggle, and the importance of Swadeshi. Today, India's children and youth need similar immersive and engaging anchors in popular culture, reading, literature, and new entertainment that must emerge from rejuvenated Swadeshi movement. Covering all aspects of culture and cultural thought is an imperative. PM Modi, please be prepared for a व्यक्तिगत touch to the Swadeshi movement 2.0. ये व्यक्तिगत कीमत का समय नहीं है. जय हिंद.